Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make Asian fried chicken wings. And here are the ingredients. 1 pound of chicken wings, salt, turmeric, black pepper, soy sauce, chicken base mix, sugar, and tempura mix. Here is our 1 pound of chicken. Now we can add in our seasoning, which are 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of chicken base mix, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 dashes of soy sauce, and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now it's a good time to mix all the seasoning into the chicken. And we could let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours in the refrigerator. Or 24 hours will be better. After our chicken has been nicely marinated, now we can add in our tempura mix, about half a cup of it. Now we can mix our tempura mix into the chicken until the chicken is nicely coated with the mix. Once it's nicely mixed like this, we can start the frying process. You could deep fry it or pan fry it. And I decided to pan fry it. In a pan, I have added about half cup of oil or about a half inch of oil in the pan. And I will heat the pan to medium to low heat. I will place the chicken into the pan in a way that it will not touch each other. And I will cook each side in low-medium heat for about 5 to 4 minutes. And I will continue to cook each side until it becomes nice and golden brown. Since the chicken are pretty thick, I will turn on the heat to low and cover it for about 10 to 9 minutes. And this will help the chicken cook all the way through. Our chicken are done, guys. Now let's put on a plate with paper towels so we can drain most of the fat. Our fried chicken are cooled down and is ready to eat. Now let's garnish it with some green onions. My favorite part of the chicken is the flat. They're nice and crispy and so juicy. Let's take a bite. This chicken wing is so good. I hope you guys could make it and enjoy it as well. This chicken wing recipe could be made in bigger batches for potlucks and could be eaten in with rice or any carbs you would like. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.